Silhouettes of you are like a tunnel, just what you want. With you I don't.
Welcome to episode 8 of Dance Simplified. Today we will be learning the Bedrock dance. Stand straight, shoulder width apart, raise your right foot and step down close to your left foot. Boom. While you step down, twist your left foot to the left. Boom. Now raise your left foot and step down while twisting right foot to the right. Boom. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. For your arms, when you step down with the right foot, cross your arms. Boom. And when you step down with the left foot, open your arms. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can add any variations you would like. Maybe an arm wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or maybe Wu-Tang hand moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do it with the music.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to know more moves of hip hop dance as a beginner, please click here. Keep learning, keep dancing.